Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is a space telescope developed by NASA with contributions from the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency. The telescope is named after James E. Webb, who was the administrator of NASA from 1961 to 1968 and played an integral role in the Apollo program. JWST was launched December 25, 2021 on Ariane flight VA256. It is designed to provide improved infrared resolution and sensitivity over Hubble viewing objects up to 100 times fainter, and will enable a broad range of investigations across the fields of astronomy and cosmology. JWST's primary mirror, the optical telescope element, consists of 18 hexagonal mirror segments made of gold-plated beryllium which combine to create a 6.5-meter diameter mirror. This gives Webb's telescope a light-collecting area about 5.6 times as large as Hubble's. Unlike Hubble, which observes in the near-ultraviolet visible and near-infrared spectra, JWST will observe in a lower frequency range from long-wavelength visible light red. This will enable it to observe high redshift objects that are too old and too distant for Hubble. Redshift and blueshift describe how light shifts toward shorter or longer wavelengths as objects in space, such as stars or galaxies, move closer or farther away from us. The concept is key to charting the universe's expansion. Redshift and blueshift describe how light shifts toward shorter or longer wavelengths as objects in space, such as stars or galaxies, move closer or farther away from us. Visible light is a spectrum of colors, which is clear to anyone who has looked at a rainbow. When an object moves away from us, the light is shifted to the red end of the spectrum as its wavelengths get longer. If an object moves closer, the light moves to the blue end of the spectrum as its wavelengths get shorter. Hubble has helped scientists learn about our solar system. The telescope observes comets and planets. Hubble even discovered moons around Pluto that had not been seen before. The telescope has helped scientists understand how planets and galaxies form. Galaxies contain billions of stars. A picture called Hubble Ultra Deep Field shows some of the farthest galaxies ever seen. Pictures from Hubble help scientists learn more about the whole universe. Because of Hubble pictures, scientists think the universe is almost 14 billion years old. Hubble has spotted black holes. Black holes suck in everything around them. They even suck in light. And Hubble has helped scientists learn more about explosions that happen when huge stars burn out. And there is a long list of researches by Hubble. Similarly, like Hubble telescope, James Webb also helps scientists to discover universe. Now the question is, why JWST use infrared? The scientists from NASA answered that the JWST actually looks at two ranges of infrared light, the near-infrared and mid-infrared. The near-infrared is light with wavelengths very close to visible red light. It's the wavelength that your TV remote uses. The mid-range infrared is often associated with heat, and that's mostly true. It turns out that everything produces light. Yes, you are sitting there making light. The wavelength of light that an object emits depends on its temperature. The hotter it gets, the shorter the wavelength of light. So, while you can't see light emitted in the mid-infrared range, sometimes you can feel it. So let's see how good is JWST for science and humanity. Thanks for watching.